Hello dear students, today in this class we are going to learn prime and composite numbers. So let us see which numbers are called prime and composite numbers. So students, first let us see what is natural numbers. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on are called natural numbers. So natural numbers can be divided prime numbers and composite numbers. Remembering that any given number will always has 1 and itself as its factors. Now let us start with prime numbers. Look at these examples. First, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Second one, the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Third one, the factors of 17 are 1 and 17. All these numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Thus, prime numbers are natural numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Let us see the composite numbers. Look at these examples. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. All the numbers have more than two factors. These numbers are called composite numbers. Thus, composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than two factors. Remembering these points, number 1 is neither prime nor composite as it has only one factor. Number 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Number 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Is 11 a prime or composite number? Let us check. So, the factors of 11. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11 because 1 into 11 is equal to 11 only. So, 11 has two factors, those are 1 and 11. If the numbers having only two factors, then that numbers are said to be prime numbers. If the numbers having more than two factors, then that numbers are said to be composite number. Here 11 has two factors, those are 1 and 11. So 11 is said to be a prime number. Is 18 a prime or composite number? So let us check the factors of 18 are the factors of 18, 1 and 18 because 1 into 18 is 18 only then 2 and 9, because 2 into 9 is 18, then 3 and 6, because 3 into 6 or 3 6 or 18. So the factors of 18 are 1, 18, then 2, 9, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 18. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors. 18 has 6 factors. If a number have more than 2 factors, then that number is said to be composite number. So 18 has 6 factors. 18 is said to be composite number. List out the prime and composite numbers among these 3 numbers. So first let us check 12 is a composite or prime number. 12. The factors of 12. So 12 can be written 1 into 12, then 2 into 6, then 3 into 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. So there are 6 factors. If the number have more than 2 factors, then that number is said to be composite number. So 12 is a composite number. Then 17. The factors of 17. 1 into 17. So the factors of 17 are 1 and 17 only. If the number have only 2 factors, then that number is said to be prime number. Here 17 has only 2 factors. Those are 1 and 17. So 17 is said to be prime number. Okay, then 22. The factors of 22, 1 into 22, then 2 into 11. 1, 22, 2, 11 are the factors of 22. 22 has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. So 22 is a composite number. Okay, have you understand? Like this we can identify prime and composite number.